Hi, I'm sorry for not posting in a while, but today we're going to be unboxing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme with the Intel i5 hex-core processor and the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super graphics card. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. So here we have the box. I did cut it earlier just so I don't have to cut it on camera, but here are the sides of the box if you wanted to see. It is upside down because they delivered it like that, but that's fine. So let's take a look inside. So first we have some foam on the sides, probably for shipping. Then inside we have the keyboard, which came with the desktop, which is right here. Then we have the mouse, which is right here. The Elite M131 gaming mouse, which also came with the box. And then here we have the CyberPowerPC. Now this is pretty heavy, so I'll unbox it off camera and I'll be right back. I forgot to mention that it also did come with the instruction manual and a remote, probably for the fans. But here you guys go if you want to take a look at it here. So here we have the keyboard. And let's take it out of the box real quick. So it has a cover in here, and it is a wired keyboard. So let me just take it from the box. Here we go. There you go. And now let's take out some of the other stuff. So here we have the mouse. It's pretty cool. So we have the left click, right click, and you do have a few buttons on here. And it is weighted with some weights back here. And then we have a scroll wheel, and of course the wire. And there we have the mouse. Now let's take this out of the bag. And we have what looks like a user guide and some wires. Here we have the user guide for the motherboard, Asus, and a disc, a DVD, and put that away. And here, I think this is a power cable, but here you can see. And a coupon code. And here we have, I'm not entirely sure what this is, but here we go. And now let's get to the PC. So let me just take off this cover, and here we go. Here is the PC and here is the front, if you're wondering. And then here we have the clear side panel with the glass window. And some more papers that come with the PC. And here we have the quick start guide. So let me open up the side window and we'll take a look inside. So this PC is equipped with an Asus motherboard, a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super, I believe, and the Intel 9th generation i5-9600 KF. And here we have some fans, exhaust fans, and cooling fans. Oh, whoops, sorry. And the cables do seem to be managed pretty neatly. And it seems to be pretty fine. And we have 8 GB of RAM with 4 different slots. Right here, if you wanted to see. And there we go, that's CyberPowerPC. So I'm gonna get it set up, and we're gonna have it running in a few minutes, and let's test it out. And I forgot to mention the power supply. This is a CyberPower pre-built, so the power supply obviously probably won't be too good, but we have a 600 watt 80 gold power supply. So let me just get it up and running, and we'll be right back. Okay, sorry to bother you guys one more time, but I did forget to mention again that it has a 240 gigabyte SSD drive and a 1 terabyte hard drive for storage. So this is the last time I promise. I'll get it up and running and ready to go. So it's time for the first power on. So let's do it. And it started up, the fans started up, and so it's the computer. So let me turn on my monitor and let's get to it. Let me turn on my keyboard and mouse as well. I do prefer the wireless from Dell, but you can use the given keyboard and mouse if you want. And it is doing a little bit of initializing and setup. So first let's start with the region, and I'm from the United States, so I'm going to say yes. US is right keyboard layout, so that's fine. I'm just gonna skip this for now. So I'm gonna connect to my network. And I will allow my PC to be discoverable just in case I might need it. And now it's just connecting to my network. Oh, whoops. If this doesn't work, I will troubleshoot and I'll be right back. So I fixed the problem, and I guess it was just my fault because I entered the password in wrong. But let's go next. Let's finish up the setup. And it's doing some setup itself. So I'm just waiting for this to be over. And here's the license agreement. Just scroll through it real quick and accept. And then I'm going to add my email account, so I'll be right back when I'm done with this. So here we go, it's set up. And now we have the Windows up and running. So if you wanted to see how the desktop looks from up close, let me just give you a little bit of a tour. So here we have the RGB fans from the front, and then from the side you can see we have the exhaust fan and the CPU fan right there. And here you go, if you wanted to look. Hi, so it's been a few hours since my unboxing, and I've tested out some apps and games on the new desktop. I wanted to say that it's working great. It's a huge performance boost from my previous PC. And also it's running everything I expected it to. I installed CUDA, I tried out my video editing software, which is Filmora, and I also installed some small games such as Minecraft and Terraria, and those worked perfectly. So I highly recommend this product, and I give it about an 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching, bye.